Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to use an AI agent to effortlessly extract census data for market research. So let's suppose I'm conducting a market research, and for that I'm creating PDFs which I'm loading in my Google Drive. Now I want that as soon as I upload a new file or a PDF, the data should be automatically extracted with the help of AI agent. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, and then this extracted details or the data should be automatically added in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Doing this manually is a very time-consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Drive, OpenAI and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to upload a new file in my Google Drive, the details of the data will be automatically extracted with the help of OpenAI, and it will be automatically added in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now, if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to use an AI agent to effortlessly extract census data for market research. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Drive, OpenAI, and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now, after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now, if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as How to Use an AI Agent to Effortlessly Extract Census Data for Market Research. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created. And here I'm going to select this as AI Agent and then click on Create. So here workflow created successfully, and as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow and as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to use AI agent to effortlessly extract census data for market research, which means whenever I am going to upload a PDF of my market research in my Google Drive, the data will be automatically extracted with the help of OpenAI, and then it will be automatically added in my Google Sheets for easy analysis. Now here, the trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to upload my PDF for market research and then action says do this, then extract the data and add that data in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take Google Drive, and then in my action application, I'm going to take OpenAI and Google Sheets. So here, let's quickly take my trigger application as Google Drive. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new file in a specific folder. Now I need to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this sign in with Google. Here I need to choose my account in which I have logged in my Google Drive account. And after selecting my account, I simply need to grant away some permissions, for which I need to click on this allow. And here authorization successful. So it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here Google Drive is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I need to select my folder or the subfolder. Now to get this, let me open my Google Drive account. So this is my Google Drive account, and this is the folder which I have created by the name Market Research, and I'm going to upload my file in this particular folder. I want that as soon as I upload the file, the details should be automatically received in this Pabbly Connect workflow. So here to do this, I first need to select my folder. Here the name of my folder is Market Research, this one. Now before clicking on the save and send test request, you can see that my Google Drive is empty. So to get the response, to get the file response, I need to first upload a file or a PDF in this particular folder. So for that, I have already downloaded it, and I am going to simply drag and drop that file over here. And here we have successfully uploaded this. Now after that, I have to click on this 3 dots from where I am going to click on the share, and then I have to click on the share. Now over here you can see that the journal access is restricted, and I have to give away this general access to anyone with the link. So I have selected that, and now this file or a PDF become accessible to everyone. So now if this general access is restricted, the file cannot be extracted, and now that I have given away the general access, the file becomes accessible and the data can be extracted with the help of AI agent. Now I'm simply going to click on this done. Here I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. So here let's wait for the response. We have received the response. We have received the web view link, web content link, and the rest of the details. Now here in this web content link, I can see that I have received the response, and this should be the file response, the PDF response. I'm going to copy this and paste that in a new tab, and let's check we have received the same PDF or not. So here in my Google Drive, this is the PDF. Now here we have downloaded this. I'm going to open this Market Research. This is the PDF which I have uploaded. I'm going to open this now. And this is the same exact PDF which we have downloaded and received in the response. Now let's go back to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Here we have received the rest of the details. Now here Google Drive is a polling based application, which means Pabbly Connect will check for the response in every 10 minutes and not instantly. So whenever I'm going to upload a file in this folder, it will check for the response in 10 minutes and not immediately. You can also set your trigger timing by clicking on the 3 dots, go to the set trigger time. And then from this drop down, you can select your own triggered time. Here I'm going to select this as 10 minutes. Now here, as soon as I upload my file in Google Drive, the details will be automatically received in this workflow. And this shows the connection setup that we have created between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. That is successful. And whenever we are going to upload a new file, I will start receiving that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever or as soon as I upload a new file or a folder in my Google Drive, I want OpenAI to extract the data from that Market Research PDF. So for that, in my action step, I'm going to use OpenAI as my action application and AI agent. Then in my action event, I'm going to select extract content from PDF or image and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. Now following the help desk given below, we are going to enter this token and I'm going to click on this hyperlink. Here I have landed to this page of API keys from where we are going to learn how we can create this new API token. For that, I'm going to click on this create new secret key and then I'm going to name this first. So let's say the name is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then I simply need to click on this create secret key. After the key has been created, I simply need to copy and paste that token over here. Now, as I have already an existing connection, I'll go with this because I have also created this connection multiple times. So that's why I'm going with this existing connection. And then I'm going to click on this save. So here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. The first one is that I have to select the OpenAI model. In this dropdown, I can find all the models which I have. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini, and then I need to enter the image or the PDF URL. Now here, I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here, I've received the response from Google Drive, and when I click on this, I can see this Google Drive. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Here, I need to enter this web content link in this image URL. So here I'm going to enter that web content link which I have received in the response from Google Drive. Now here I need to enter the prompt. I'm going to enter a general prompt. So this is my objective. I have a market research PDF document that contains demographic data, income, employment, education, and spending habits for different regions. I need you to extract the following data from the document. I am going to write my prompt as this only, because I want this AI to extract the data from the PDF which I have uploaded. And next we have the structured output. So this is a very important feature we have. With the help of this structured output, I am going to receive the response in JSON format. And then it will become very easy for me to map that in my Google Sheets. And to generate this structured output, I have to create a JSON schema. Now how to get this JSON schema? Under this important node, you can see to generate the structured output JSON, navigate to this. So I'm going to open this. And here we have landed to the structured outputs page. Now here it's written try out in Playground or generate a ready to use schema definition to experiment with structured outputs. Here we have this option of generate. I am going to click on this. In this box it's written describe how you want the model to respond and we'll generate a JSON schema. Now I'm simply going to add the text and all the fields that I want, and it will automatically generate that JSON schema for me, which I'm going to copy and paste that in the structured output field. So here I'm going to write all the fields which I require. For that, I'm going to open my notepad quickly, and here I'm going to enter all the fields. Now here first you can see that in my Google Sheets, I have all the fields. I have so many fields: region, total population, male percent, female percent, median age, age bracket, average household income, main occupation, employment rate, informal sector, literacy, graduate or higher, internet access, smartphone access, average monthly spend on groceries, personal care, digital subscription, active loan repayment. So I have so many fields and I have to write the schema, and I want the JSON schema for all of the field. So for that I'm going to open my notepad. Here first I want the region. So I'm going to write region, and then I'm going to write type of text. Then in the description I have to add the region in which the research was conducted. I'm going to write the description something like this. So here this is the first field in my Google Sheets. You can see I have this first field, then we have this total population, male percent, female percent. I'm quickly going to add all these fields in my notepad. The next one is total population. The region, type of text, name of region where the research is conducted, the total population of the region, male percentage, type of numeric, the percentage of male population, female percentage, type of numeric, the percentage of female population. Then we have this median age, age bracket, average household income in INR, main occupation, employment rate percent, informal sector percent, literacy percent, graduate or higher percent, internet access, smartphone, average monthly spend on groceries, personal care, digital subscription, and the active loan repayment. Now here I am going to copy all this text, and then I'm simply going to paste that in this box. Now I do not have to do anything. I simply need to click on this create, and it is going to automatically generate a JSON schema for me, and I need to simply copy and paste that in my Pabbly Connect field. We are going to wait for a few seconds to get the response. So here we have received this response. We have received this JSON schema. Here you can see the first field was region, total population, male percent, female percent, median age, age bracket. Here we have all the fields. Now we do not have to do anything. We simply need to copy this entirely, and we have to paste that in this structured output field. Here I am done with this adding structured output prompt, PDF or the image URL, and now I simply need to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here we have received the response. You can see that I have received the response in JSON format with the help of the structured output. Now it has become very easy to map all these details in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So the name of the region is Greenfield. Total population there was 45,200. Male percentage there was 51. Female percentage was 49. Median age was 28. Age bracket was this. Then we have received the rest of the details. Now here I have received the response, and I'm simply going to click on this add action step, and then I'm going to search for my action application, which is Google Sheets, in which I'm going to add all these details. In my action event, I'm going to select this as add new row and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Here select the account in which you have logged in your Google Sheets and which you will be using. After selecting the account, we simply need to grant away the permissions, for which we need to click on this allow, and here authorization successful. Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter these details. Now here I am going to enter the spreadsheet. For that I am first going to select my spreadsheet as market research. Here as you can see that the name of my Google Sheet spreadsheet is market research. So I have selected market research from my spreadsheet. Then I am going to enter the value to all these fields by mapping. So now I suppose that you are very clear with the process of mapping. So we are going to map all the details which we have received in the response from OpenAI. The female percentage was this. You can create your own PDF, or if you have a PDF from different region, you can upload that PDF of all the demographic details, and then you can use AI to extract all the details. So here I have completed mapping all the details. Now I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here we have received the response. Let's quickly open my Google Sheets and check whether I have received the details there or not. So here I have received all the details. The region was Greenfield, total population was this. Here we have added all the details. All the fields have received their value. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. So now to summarize, we took Google Drive as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We selected the folder and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted OpenAI to generate and extract the content from the PDF that we have uploaded in Google Drive. So here I took OpenAI as my action application and AI agent, selected the AI model, entered the web content link from the Google Drive, entered the prompt and the structured output, received the response. Then we moved to the next step and I wanted to map all the details which I have received in my AI response in my OpenAI response. So I have mapped all the details in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Drive, OpenAI and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.